Welcome again to my channel Kurkure Muchmuche. I am giving a new recipe in front of you and it will fulfill your thirst to a delicious fish item, and this is Golsha Tengra. Yes, this is a very tasty fish, and how I am preparing the Golsha Tengra jhal. This is a Bengali dish and hope you will like this video, and this dish is very tasty and very chatpata type dish. So please stay tuned with my channel, and who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the all button so that you can get all the videos notification at the first. And I hope this video will help you to fulfill the requirements of new recipe, and if this recipe is liked by you, this is I will be very much pleased. So please stay tuned with my channel. How I am preparing the dish is very simple but very tasty and very yummy. So this is Golsha Tengra. I cutted the Golsha Tengra, and after that I sprinkled little bit of turmeric and salt, and I fried the fishes. And I am making the video in short. I fried onion. I cutted the onion in slices, onion and tomatoes in the hot oil, and then I give some green chilies to enhance the taste. And after that I will put in this masala the Kashmiri red chili powder, which will make the color very nice, and it is very much tasty also. And if you want to more powerful chili taste, then you can give the red chili powder also. I am giving here the Kashmiri red chili powder. And after the cooking of the onion, when the onion by cooking process paste, and then this is the perfect time where I am including the hot water for the gravy purpose. The onions are purely cooked and you can't see the pieces of onion also, and I give some little bit of hot water, and after that I will put some more water. From first time I am mixing the fish with this gravy so that the fish can capture the gravy's taste, and after that I will give some hot water so that the gravy can increase. Then I am going to sprinkle the coriander leaves. The coriander leaves is the main ingredients to enhance the taste of this recipe, and I hope this will fulfill your dinner or lunch with rice. The tasty Bengali Golsha Tengra fish. Please stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then you will regularly get new videos. Bye bye.